My first name is Carstella. I'm 53 years old, and I'm a transplant to Tallahassee from Pensacola. My ex-boyfriend came into my life again after 15 years. And after we communicated via phone, and we just talked all the time, and then he asked me to marry him, and I said yes. And at that particular time, people was not, HIV and AIDS were not, high on somebody's radar. People didn't talk about, church didn't talk about it. It was just basically taboo. So I didn't ask any questions. I did not ask any questions. But he looked really good. He was tall, dark, and handsome. He actually looked better before the second time around. By 92, he had started getting really sick. So we didn't know what was going on. The doctor said, we need to test you for HIV. So they did. The test came back positive. And so she told me I needed to get tested too. I came back positive. When you love yourself and you have that good support unit behind you, you can survive. But I would tell them to ask many questions too, because just don't think because this person looks really good that there's nothing going on. I found out the hard way that looks can kill. And it's still taboo in the churches and everything, and that's where really the stories need to be told. Southern churches, what is it? I think it should be an ongoing thing before you're doing all the praying and singing. Just after you've done all that, then you talk a little bit about HIV and AIDS, because it's destroying us. It's to me, I think it's a pandemic status now, because I always say that one person that's HIV positive is one person too many.